So you guys have just heard my UG26 quote-unquote tornado siren, my mini tornado siren, play auld syne. This is what the siren head itself looks like. So, don't mind my shadow. This is what it looks like. These are just coffee cups, just glued together. Here's what it says on top, UG26. It is technically made from ATI, or at least I want to imagine it is. And ATI is just an electric, or like some, I don't know, electronic siren company or whatnot. I'm not entirely sure. This is how I open it up, and this shows off the speaker. This comes from a snap circuit kit I got a while back, so I was able to wire it up, and the wires head down to my office area. And so this is where the wires come to. They come in here to the UG26 control box. And here's what it looks like in here. Let me try it. Can I turn on the flashlight? Ah, there we are. Oh, and my other flashlight just went out. Okay, so I will just be using this for the rest of the video. Originally, this switch was right here, but then I realized it would be more economical to have it here. Originally, the plate here, this plate was hinged, and actually this little, hang on, this lighter color down here, that used to be a handle. There used to be a handle there, but then I removed it to be just a plate because I was tired of opening and closing the thing. Takes about 4 AA batteries, and this is just what I use. Just so you know, this red wire goes all the way to the switch. This black wire comes around here and heads up to here. This yellow wire goes out of here and heads up to the UG26. The siren head, the other red wire, just comes around here and connects onto this. This one goes to here. You have to have another one that goes from here to here. Now, all this could be just a snap circuit stuff, but I wanted to do some wires and save some parts, just in case if I want to do whatever. And then this is the jack, the microphone jack, and I just have it here. This was plugged into one of my other phone, my newer phone. I haven't fully transitioned over just yet, but I did use it for this test, which is probably the first time it's been used for anything that I've been needing. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that is how this thing, what this thing is, and that's what it looks like. This is the first working mini siren of mine. This was the one that actually works, and thanks to this jack and stuff, I can technically just have a set of speakers that I can just attach on whatever phone I want to this. Like when I transition over, I will use the phone I'm recording right now as the device that can sound this thing. This turns it on, this turns it off. That's for power and stuff. So yeah, this was my first mini siren I did. This is the second mini siren I have. It does not work just yet. Just recently I made a new chopper. This is all 3D pen stuff. It's not made from a printer, unfortunately. I would rather have a printer that can print me these parts. It is kind of difficult. Like I have to have my own kind of quote-unquote molds. Thanks to Lego. Lego kind of helps me make the molds and stuff for these things. I have a motor that's already in here, but I gotta find a way to attach this to the motor, because the shaft I did not properly measure the first time. That the chopper was heavy, and the second chopper I had was it was hollow where the shaft of the motor came in. So this is the third chopper, and it's okay, except If you notice, it doesn't, the hole doesn't entirely line up. Yeah, let me see if I can. Yeah, that's probably the best I'm gonna get. But this is my mini STL10, and that's all it is. I just have 2 wires down here. I hook it up to a model train controller, and the motor does run. It works just fine. All this stuff down here is just to help me spin the chopper. And the siren has worked before, but the first motor that I had for this got very hot. It vibrated a lot, probably because it came from an old Tyco steam locomotive that I took out of service. So yeah, but here's this one. This is the last. This is the second mini siren that I've attempted to build, and this one is almost able to work. But I just gotta find a way to technically super glue the shaft of the motor to the chopper, and I can take this off its pole, which is just a wrapping paper tube with a cardboard piece on top, and I am able to take this out. I'm able to take the wire and pull on it, and it will go through these areas, and I can loosen it up to take out the chopper, put some whatever glue in there. I'm not sure if it needs to be a resin. Also, this only has 1 green horn. All the rest are just blue horns. So yeah, it's kind of in a wacky color scheme, but whatever. I mean, purple extensions, almost a bluish green, blue and green chopper. All blue horns except 1, and then the chopper cap it is made from purple. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me because these are just my favorite colors: blue, purple, and green, or blue, green, and purple, I guess you could say. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I still like this thing. So long as it works, that's all I care about. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys some other time.